Hey Sleepyheads, after a short break, I'm back with another edition of Sleepy News. Hope you didn't miss me too much in April. I was off attending a hand movement seminar. Anyway, let's get to the news. We have a limited number of Hypno pre-orders still available. Make sure to grab yours now before this batch runs out. New pre-orders are expected to ship in late May. Sleepy Winston recently made his YouTube premiere in Patch Your Mom, a heartwarming Mother 32 and hypno tutorial that celebrates maternal modular synthesis in honor of Mother's Day. If you've ever wondered how to make audio reactive visuals, or if you have any modular gear at all, this is the video for you. Make sure to check it out at the link in the description below, or up here. A new free video pack is up on the Sleepy Circuit site. Desync is possibly our glitchiest video pack yet. It was created by artist Mute FX on modified hardware in honor of the original circuit benders, CRT collectors, and psychedelic artists who pushed the limits of the imagination. To find out more about Desync and how to download it for free, check out the link in the description below. The winner of the Equinox Challenge was at 64.72.62.62.69.65.41.56 with this beautiful hypno visual. Honorable mention goes to at I Am Badly Poisoned and at PFFFRNSSZ for these awesome submissions. And congratulations to all our Instagram fans for having some of the most original and oftentimes the most bewildering usernames. A few people have reached out to me recently about the music in the background of our videos. Occasionally, I'll use a track made by Sleepy Ron or myself, but most of the time you're hearing the music of Primary Mystical Experience. We love Primary Mystical Experience, and he just released a new mixtape called Splash Around, so we're giving one away. Splash Around is a splishy-splashy, neon candy, blurred vision, sun-soaked kaleidoscope mixtape of your dreams. Waves of beats wash over you, with glistening synths, pulsing bass, knocking boombats, and wavy ambient interludes. To celebrate this superb album release, we're launching the Splash Around Challenge. We want to see you make original visuals inspired by the music, concepts, and album art of this awesome new mixtape. The winner with the most splashy visual will win this beautiful Splash Around cassette, as well as a digital download of the album. More information on how to enter can be found at the link in the description below. That's it for this edition of Sleepy News. Make sure to check out the links in the description below for more information about the Hypno, the Mother 32 tutorial, the Desynced video pack, the Splash Around Challenge, and more. Like, subscribe, follow us on social media. Get involved on our forum, and most importantly, get some sleep.